mixology kids. Today we're going to be talking about Mexico's most popular cocktail, and it's not margarita. No, we're going to be making La Paloma. This is a great, refreshing cocktail. A lot of grapefruit notes. We have some agave in there, some fresh citrus, and then of course our Q Drinks grapefruit soda. So this is going to be a really interesting cocktail. It's going to be good for summer coming up. You're definitely going to be wanting to make these when it gets a bit hotter as well. And yeah, let's go over what's in the box. You'll find 2 limes in here, and we'll be using that to rim the glass with salt. You'll find your Q Drinks grapefruit soda. You should have 3. You'll have our agave and our fresh pressed lime juice. You'll also have some kosher salt and our dehydrated grapefruit for garnish. So without further ado, we're going to start by rimming the glass. Also, as far as tools go, we'll do a quick tool check. You're going to want a 2-piece shaker. You're going to want a strainer, a jigger, and a bar spoon. Alright. You also need a knife to cut your limes, and if we're looking at our first step here, we're going to cut our lime in half. You take your half and you cut it into thirds. Then you're going to want to make a slit right in the center here. Try and go as deep as you can. And we're now ready to rim our glass. You can have your salt here. I recommend using a flat dish. A little small plate will work. That way you can roll it and you'll be able to get an even placement of salt there. And also remember to leave some salt as we're going to be using it for the cocktail. About half should be fine, and you'll have plenty left over for the cocktails and also to rim more drinks. Now, we'll take our slit in our Collins glass, and we're just going to do half of the rim. Okay, so you want to go all the way down. That's why it's important to get that slit nice and deep so we can get a good rim. And we're just going to do half. Just want to apply a little pressure, get it nice and wet. Okay, and now we can roll it right onto the salt. Gonna get that nice rim. There we go. Can even it out a little bit. Perfect. So we got a nice salt rim going. We can put this away now. So we can put this to the side and we can start to build the cocktail. We're going to build it in our small shaking tin. We're going to start with 2 ounces of one of our recommended tequilas, Milagro Blanco. You can also use El Jimador Blanco and Altos. So 2 full ounces. Right in the small shaking tin. And we're going to go a half an ounce of our agave syrup. Perfect. And also equal parts, half ounce of our fresh pressed lime juice. Now you want to do your pinch of salt, just a tiny pinch. This is going to add a nice little flavor, complement the grapefruit and the citrus. Just a tiny pinch will work. We're now ready to add ice. Add it right to the top of your small shaking tin. We can seal this and shake. Shake for about 30 seconds. Alright, now we can add new ice to our Collins glass, fresh ice. To the top there. We're going to go ahead and strain this right into the glass. We'll now top it with our grapefruit soda water. Pretty color there. And we'll leave just a little room up top. We call that high and dry. It's a good looking cocktail there. Next you'll use your bar spoon, just give it a little stir. Just want to even out the soda to the cocktail. And last but not least, we can go ahead and garnish our cocktail. So we have our dehydrated grapefruit. Stick that right in the side here. Voila! Here we have La Paloma. Cheers! Hope you enjoy this cocktail. Thank you for being a valued subscriber. And don't forget, when you make your cocktail, please post it and use our hashtag #MixingAtHome to be featured on our Instagram and potentially win some awesome prizes. Thanks again, and I hope you enjoy your cocktail. Cheers!